Nestled high in the branches of pine trees, there lies a tiny treasure coveted by cultures spanning millennia, the humble pine nut. In forests deep where sunlight weaves, among the pines, beneath green leaves, there hides a treasure, small and round, in humble shells, where secrets found. Ancient cave paintings depicting pine trees and early human settlements. Watch my video to the end for delicious recipe and funny dialogue. Please subscribe. Thank you. Pine nuts come from various pine species across different regions. Siberian pine nuts, Pinus sibirica, are indeed found in south-central Siberia and the Russian Far East. The Siberian pine, from which these nuts are harvested, was so valued for its nutritional and health benefits that it earned the name, the Tsar of all trees, in Russia. Chinese pine nuts, Pinus coreensis, form the bulk of the world's pine nut supply. They're also sourced from Korean Peninsula and Japan. European stone pine nuts, Pinus pinea, are native to the Mediterranean region and have been cultivated for over 5,000 years. Pinyon or pinnon pine nuts come from several species native to North America, particularly the southwestern United States and northern Mexico. Early hunter-gatherers revered them for their rich nutritional value and the sustenance they provided during harsh winters. Our story begins over 10,000 years ago when humans first started cultivating pine nuts. Ancient Greek and Roman civilizations cherished these nutritious morsels. Roman legions even carried pine nuts as part of their rations, with archaeologists discovering pine nut shells in the ruins of their British encampments. Archaeologists have discovered pine nut shells in the ruins of Roman encampments in Britain dating back to the middle of the 1st century CE. From ancient times, revered with grace, in royal feasts, a prized embrace, a culinary legacy so fine, in every dish, your flavors shine. In ancient Rome, pine nuts were prized as a delicacy fit for emperors, often ground into a fine paste to enrich sauces and desserts. Like very delicious pine nut cheesecake is a real treat. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that offer impressive health benefits. Throughout history, pine nuts have been used medicinally. Ancient Egyptians used them to cure illnesses, while Greek and Roman physicians prescribed them for coughs and chest pain. In medieval times, the renowned physician Avicenna recommended pine nuts for cleansing the lungs. Health benefits. Heart health. Monounsaturated fats. Pine nuts are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Magnesium. High in magnesium, which helps regulate heart rhythm and improve cardiovascular function. Weight management. Appetite suppression. Pine nuts contain pinolenic acid, which has been shown to stimulate the release of hormones that suppress appetite. Protein and fiber. The combination of protein and dietary fiber helps keep you feeling full for longer periods, aiding in weight control. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin E. Pine nuts are a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Energy boost. Iron. Pine nuts provide a good amount of iron, which is essential for maintaining energy levels and preventing fatigue. Healthy fats. The healthy fats in pine nuts provide a sustained energy release. Bone health. Vitamin K. Essential for bone health, vitamin K in pine nuts helps in bone mineralization and blood clotting. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in maintaining bone density. Skin health. Vitamin E contributes to healthy skin by protecting it from UV damage and maintaining skin elasticity. Eye health. Lutein. Pine nuts contain lutein, an antioxidant that is beneficial for eye health and helps protect against age-related macular degeneration. Immune system support. Zinc. Essential for immune function, zinc in pine nuts helps in maintaining a strong immune system. Magnesium also supports a healthy immune response. Cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids are crucial for brain health, helping improve cognitive function and potentially reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Anti-inflammatory properties. Polyphenols and other compounds. Pine nuts contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. From forest heights to tables spread, in salads, bright and pastries bread, you grace our meals with subtle glee, a testament to Earth's bounty. Recipe: kale and quinoa salad with pine nuts. Ingredients: 1 cup quinoa, 2 cups water or vegetable broth, 1 bunch kale, stems removed and leaves chopped, 1/2 cup pine nuts, toasted, 1/4 cup dried cranberries or cherries, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional, 1 small red onion, finely chopped, 1 avocado, diced, 1 lemon, zested and juiced, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: cook the quinoa. Rinse the quinoa under cold water. In a medium saucepan, combine the quinoa and water or vegetable broth. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes, or until the quinoa is cooked and the liquid is absorbed. Prepare the kale. While the quinoa is cooking, place the chopped kale in a large bowl. Drizzle with a small amount of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Massage the kale with your hands for a few minutes until it becomes tender and slightly wilted. Toast the pine nuts. In a small skillet over medium heat, toast the pine nuts for 1–2 minutes, stirring frequently, until they are golden brown and fragrant. Prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the lemon zest, lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, honey or maple syrup, salt, and pepper. Assemble the salad. In the large bowl with the massaged kale, add the cooked quinoa, toasted pine nuts, dried cranberries or cherries, red onion, avocado, and crumbled feta cheese. If using, pour the dressing over the salad and toss to combine thoroughly. Serve immediately, or let the flavors meld together for about 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy as a nutritious lunch or as a side dish with dinner. Oh! Pine nut, jewel of the tree, a taste of nature's harmony, your creamy flesh, a delicate bite, brings joy to hearts with pure delight. Now it is time for a funny dialogue between pine nut and peanut in the nut bowl. Pine nut: hey peanut, what's cracking? Peanut: not much, just trying to keep things smooth. You know, life's a shell of a ride. Pine nut: tell me about it. I've been feeling a bit out of place here in this bowl. Everyone's always talking about peanuts this, peanuts that. Peanut: well, we do get a lot of attention. But hey, you pine nuts are pretty fancy. People pay extra for you in their pesto. Pine nut: true. But you guys get to be in everything, from snacks to peanut butter. That's some serious versatility. Peanut: yeah, I guess we do spread ourselves around. But you, with your gourmet reputation, you get to hang out in all the high-end dishes. What's that like? Pine nut: it's pretty nuts. Sometimes I feel like I'm just here for decoration. I mean, I have to look good in those salads, you know? Peanut: I hear you. I've been in some sticky situations myself, like when they turn me into peanut butter. Talk about a nutty transformation. Pine nut: oh, I can imagine. At least you're not stuck in a pesto jar for days on end. It's like being in a green whirlpool. Peanut: well, at least you're not roasted and salted all the time. Sometimes I feel like I'm always in hot water, or oil. Pine nut: we all have our tough shells to crack, but hey, together we make one heck of a snack mix. Peanut: absolutely, whether we're fancy or fun, we're both appealing in our own way. Pine nut: cheers to that. Let's just hope no one decides to turn us into brittle. I've heard it's a real crunch time. Peanut: here's to staying whole and nutty, my friend. Pine nut: to the nutty nut life. Stay happy and nutty healthy. I will see you in my next deliciously nutty and healthy episode. Let us cherish, let us praise, the pine nut story, ancient ways, for in your essence, we behold, the tale of forests, deep and bold. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.